Hello, my awesome viewers and subscribers, my YouTube family and friends, my TikTok family and friends, my followers near and far, all over the world. Welcome back to my kitchen. Guys, before I get into this video, I just want to say Sunday is my son JJ birthday. So guys, please show him some love and leave it in the comment section down below, guys. And if there's anyone birthday today, I just want to wish you a happy birthday for today. Enjoy your day, and guys, have a lovely weekend and a great week ahead of you. So I am back in the kitchen with another video, so let's get started. Guys, the sun is shining outside. It's beautiful. Summer is actually here in England, so we are enjoying the lovely sunshine. So in today's videos, guys, it's gonna be a quick and easy video. I'll be showing you guys how I prepare and cook my liver served with yellow yam. For those who don't know what yellow yam is, and if you want to know more about yellow yam, you just do a quick little research. And there's some cornmeal dumplings here. Again, if you don't know what cornmeal dumplings is, just do a research. And a nice sweet potato here, and I'm also using 2 green banana and 2 Irish potato. My water is boiling up, so I'm just gonna wash my hands. Just dry my hands. And I'm gonna start on my food first. So I'm gonna start peeling my sweet potato. I do some of the preparation just to save time, because I do not want my video to be too long. And this is my healthy breakfast. I haven't had liver in a while, guys, and just let me tell you what liver I'll be using, because there's lots of different liver. I'll be using ox liver, because you have chicken liver, you have lamb liver, you have pig liver. You got a lot of different liver, so I am using ox liver because that's the one what I like. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the continued support and love what you are showing me. I am now on TikTok. I'm finally on TikTok, guys. So please go over to my TikTok page and follow me. My TikTok page is called Rose6146. So go over there and follow me. And I'll just repeat again, Rose6146. Yeah, please go over there and support me. Please follow me. So I'm going to wash my food. Very well. My water is ready, guys. Look at that. So I'm just gonna go in now with some salt. I just want you guys to take a good note of what I'm doing. So I'm using that amount of salt. It's too much salt is not good for us. And I'm just gonna go straight in with my food. So I'm now making a line. on my banana, and I'm just gonna simply remove the skin from the banana. Cut that, guys. Just clean off that little bit, and then I'm gonna go straight in with my banana. So that's my banana right there. Then I'm gonna go straight in with my yam, and I'm gonna leave this to cook for a little while, and then I'm gonna go in with my dumplings. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start on my liver. So guys, I've already got some oil in my pans, not a lot of oil, but you can see, and I'm using vegetable oil. You can use oil of your own choice. So guys, I've just put my oil to heat up. So once my oil heat up, I'm gonna go in with all my stuff. Right in here, let me tell you what I've got inside here. I've got some fresh thyme, carrots, tomato, vegetable peppers, or if you want to say sweet peppers, and I've got some fresh garlic. So this is what I'm going to use to cook my liver. And right here now, it's now time for me to show you how I season my liver. My liver is already washed and everything, so I'm just gonna show you exactly why I season my liver. So right here I've got some garlic granules, and I'll be using my tablespoon, so I'm just gonna use a small amount of garlic granules. Small amount of all-purpose seasoning. This seasoning also contains salt, so we don't need a lot, just a small amount. Small amount of this don't contain salt, so we can put a good amount of this one in. That's just ginger, garlic, and pimento seasoning, and it does not contain salt, so we can put a good amount in. The one that contains salt, then we have to put just a small amount. Yeah, and this is everyday seasoning as well. A small amount. Right, and then I'm gonna just go in now with some black pepper. And then I'm just gonna mix it, combine all the seasoning together. When you're making this at home, it's best to season it and leave it for at least an hour to marinate. But like I said in all my videos, because I'm teaching people who don't know how to prepare and make this meal or any meal what I'm making, what I do, I teach you as I go along, so I just have to skip marinate. But when you're making it at home, then go ahead and leave your meat to marinate, because by leaving it to marinate, it brings the flavor out in your meat even more, and you enjoy it a lot more. Lot more. Trust me, guys, you do. Yeah. And for people who already know what to do, feel free to watch my videos and try it out my way. It's entirely up to you. Feel free to do so, because we all do things differently. Right, so that's it now, guys. That is already ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to test the oil to see if the oil is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go straight in all of this, because another thing, guys, the liver only take about 15 minutes to cook. Between 15 to 20 minutes. Do not cook the liver longer than that, or else what will happen, you'll end up with having hard liver and you won't be able to enjoy it. So do not cook the liver too long, because if you overcook the liver, then the liver will turn out to be hard. You can also fry the liver and eat it. You know, it's nice frying it and just eat it like that. So what I'm doing, I'm cooking all my vegetables first, halfway through cooking, and then once it's halfway through cooking, then I will go in with my liver. So I'm just gonna cover this now and leave it to cook for a while, and then I'll deliver. And in the meantime, now I'm gonna wash my hands again. Just throw away the salt. And then I am gonna start making my dumplings. Just making my dumplings small. I don't like them when they are too big. They're small, make them neat. Guys, these might be the smallest dumpling you ever seen, but this is how I like my dumplings. I like them to look very, very neat and tidy. Well, guys, summer is finally here in the UK. It's beautiful outside. It's a beautiful day. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful day. Yes, look, guys. So I'm just gonna separate my dumplings a bit so that they don't join together. So I'm separating my dumplings now. And then I'm just gonna leave everything to cook. Just cover it now and leave it to cook. Here we are, here we are. Look now. Look at that, my beautiful people. Look at that. That is looking good. It's also smell really, really good. And it is very colorful. Very, very colorful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in with some of my dark soy sauce. And this is for finished to bring the color out. Yeah. So I'm just going to splash some in. Don't overdo it. Don't put too much. So, alright. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go straight in with my liver. Because like I told you guys, liver does not take long to cook. So I'm going to go straight in with my liver. And this is my breakfast. So happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday, everyone. Whatever you do for the weekend, stay safe, stay blessed, and enjoy your weekend. I'm now going to add a bit of boiling water to it, and not a lot, just a little bit. So I'm just going to go in now with my boiling water. And I'm now going to leave it to cook. I'm also going to add a little bit of hot peri-peri sauce. This sauce contains, it's very hot, that's why they call it hot peri sauce. So I don't want it to be too fiery, but it will help bring the flavor out. If you like your spicy, then you can go ahead and add a bit more. And if you don't have all of what I'm using, go ahead and just work with what you have. But the more ingredients is the better the flavor, and that's what we are aiming for. Flavor. So guys, I'm just gonna let you have a look at what's going on now. So as you can see, look at that, the gravy is coming thick and the liver just need at least another 10 minutes and it should be cooked. It's soft, guys, it's soft. And like I said, please do not overcook it or else it will go hard. So I'm just giving this another 10 minutes and then I'm gonna put the heat out. And this is the food here. Food is doing well, good and all. Yeah, everything is doing good, so I'm just leaving that for a while. So guys, I'm going to take a break, and when I return, I will show you my finishing touch. Okay, so see you guys in a little while. Yes, my beautiful people, I am back. I am back, and this is my finishing touch. So let's have a look. So that's it, guys. Look, the gravy is so thick and it's rich, full of flavor. I can smell it from miles away. Yeah, and it's now ready. So I'm gonna put the heat out. It's now ready for serving, guys. And right here is my food. So I'm just gonna check on my food as well. Guys, it's ready. Once the fork is going through it, it's ready. It's ready. So I'm gonna put the heat out also. And then I will be serving this meal. And then I'll give you my honest opinion on how this meal tastes. Yes, guys, my meal is now ready and it's looking really good. And I'm just gonna have a taste and I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion how this meal tastes, so you can try it out at home for you and your family. And I'm sure if you follow my video very careful from the beginning to the end, your meal will turn out exactly the way how mine is, looking good, tasting good, and you'll keep going back for more and you'll be thanking me for sharing this recipe with you all. So I'm just gonna have a taste now. Very soft. Wow, very nice. This liver is full of flavor. Honestly, when I say flavor, I mean flavor. It's full of flavor. Really nice. Very nice, guys. So, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your family and friends. And just enjoy this recipe. And stay tuned. There'll be a lot more videos coming your way soon. Love you all. Thank you for the continued support. And I just want to welcome all my new subscribers to my YouTube channel and my TikTok channel. I welcome you all. Please join in and enjoy. And I shall see you soon in my next one. Peace.